Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And yes, if you guys are looking at my screen, I do have $998,000, almost $1 million. I completed my goal. Yay! Well, not really. So, this is a paper trading account on Webull. For those who didn't notice, it said on top, paper trading. And right here is what I'm going to do currently. I'm going to practice my skills. I'm going to learn a lot of swing trading and patterns and practice it, most of it, on this Webull paper trading platform. I like to use it because it looks really nice and clean. And on Robinhood, I'll be back soon. But mostly I want to do is first, I would like to perfect my skills in swing trading and getting a little more familiar with patterns and being able to predict prices better and using indicators better. And I will be talking about in this video is what was going on with my paper trading account today, and how I'm planning to grow this and how I'm planning to transfer that knowledge into real money trading stocks on Robinhood. So if you guys are ready for that, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I'd really appreciate it a ton. We're trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber goal, in which once we get monetized, we'd like to start taking some of that ad revenue and growing it in our Robinhood portfolio. That is one of the big goals for this channel, is to start monetizing and using that money to grow the Robinhood portfolio, as well as do some giveaways for people who are looking to start trading stocks as well. Alright guys, so let's just get into it without further ado, and I'll be explaining what's going on. So first of all, I did do a lot of day trading today. I had a lot of time in my hands, so I was studying some price action and day trading techniques. This is more just for fun, but I did enjoy doing quite a large amount of day trading. If you guys can see, like from right here to around the area right here is what was going on today. So we did make a ton of trades, and we ended up making, if you guys look in the bottom right corner of the blue little square, we did end up making like about $1.5 thousand. This is of course paper trading, so guys, don't get super hyped and say, yo Casper, you're rich. Well, no, I'm not really, so not yet. So my main technique with the day trading, the like SPY, Nvidia, and other big stocks like that, was simply going along with the momentum. Basically, momentum trading is what I was focusing on. If the stocks were selling off, I bought it in a pullback. Pullback up, yeah, and then I held it until it went down to the bottom Bollinger Band, I'm sorry, and sold it there basically for some really nice profits. So that was mostly what was going on today. But what I do want to focus most of my attention on from now on forward is swing trading stocks. Basically, what I did was I scouted out some really good stocks to trade for this following week, and I found Protector and Gamble as a really good buying opportunity right now because it dipped down like 2% today. And this is a really solid company, I gotta tell you guys. Let's see if we can go on the charts for it. I'm not really familiar with the Webull charts, I'm sorry. But just in the general look of it, you guys can see that Protector and Gamble has just been cruising up and up and up, even with like market crashes. Well, maybe not crashes, but market like recessions and pullbacks. This thing is just flying through clouds. It's going up so high. And right now it was like one of the best opportunities that I saw to buy it. It was on a pullback right here, as you guys can see. Yesterday it was red a little bit, and today it was red a little bit. But this is a perfect buying opportunity. I think I could swing this stock up at least 2 or 3%, which would be a nice gain from, how much did we invest in this? 100,000. So 2 to 3% of 100,000 is 2 to 3 grand, which we're hoping to close probably by the end of this week. And that would be some really nice profits from Protector and Gamble. The second stock that I was looking to swing trade is Planet Fitness. And this stock also, guys, it's going crazy. If I were investing in some growth stocks, these two would definitely be on the list. Even though Protector and Gamble is a bit of a dividend stock, that's just an extra benefit added to it. But Planet Fitness, as you guys can see, it is also a pretty steadily growing company. It started off a few years ago, I think it was 3 or 4 years ago if I'm not mistaken, at $15, and now it's at a whopping $75 and is growing without stop. It has a little bit of pullback here and there, and that's exactly why I wanted to enter in the stock right at a pullback, so you can ride that price movement up And for this stock, my potential profit, which I was looking at, is around 5-ish%, 5.5% or something like that. It's very similar to that. And I was hoping to swing the stock up to around $81 or so. So that would be a very, very nice swing for us. And yeah, I'll show you guys some more things I'm looking at. Possibly some live trading tomorrow if you guys would like to check that out. We'll definitely be streaming that on the channel. And yeah, that's all I just wanted to share with you guys today. Is just my Webull paper trading account, basically progress. We'll be back to Robinhood soon, guys. Don't worry. I just want to train my skills a little bit better on here. Once we start making some consistent gains, we'll start switching on to Robinhood. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great, great day.